What's going on, everybody? Team Lasfit here, and we are working on this 2018 Hyundai Tucson. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to be replacing the rear brake light on this vehicle. So stay tuned, and we are converting it from normal halogen to LED. So stay tuned, guys.
Alright guys, so to get to the actual bulbs, you're gonna have to remove this cover first. What I like to use is this plastic trim remover. You're gonna put it right in here where this little opening is. Just put it through here like that. Just like that, and it just pops out, okay? This has been removed multiple times, so it popped off pretty easily. So in case it doesn't just pop off like this, it's your first time. Once you unclip these two, which is pretty much this thing that's holding it here and this one down here, once you unlock those, all you have to do is slide this in here and pop it out like that, and carefully slide it out because you got these two in here, okay? So don't bend it or anything. Try to pull it out as straight as possible. So if you can just pull it out like this, it usually you can start feeling when it starts disconnecting and just comes off, okay? So we'll put that to the side now. And then it's the headlight's held in, not the headlight, the tail light is held in by two 10mm right there. So I got my 10mm ratchet. I'm gonna remove these. Okay, put this to the side. At this point, there's two guides that hold this in place. So make sure that when you pop this out, you want to pull it out straight out, okay? Just like that. So don't put too much pressure because you don't want to rip this off, okay? You want to make sure just as soon as you start feeling it come loose, it's just a little bit more of a tug and it just pops out. So on this one, you can see that this headlight has been worked on before. They actually removed the plug from the actual base where it usually sits on. This should be on here. So I'm gonna disconnect it real quick just to make it easier. So this should be on here like that, okay? They removed it for the reason why is that if you see this, it's very difficult to remove it while it's all cramped like that. It's a very tight fit and the cables are hard to actually work with. So if you remove this, you pretty much have freedom to just pull everything out and it comes off just like that, very easy, okay? So what we're gonna be doing on this vehicle first, we're gonna be replacing the brake light, okay? The brake light is gonna be this clear one right here. It's an 1157, okay? We're gonna be using our 1157 in red because it is a red lens, okay? So if we were to put the white one, it'll actually make it look pinkish. So to avoid that, we're gonna put a red one, all right? If you like that color, then you can use a white one as well, but we're just gonna go with red. And then the bottom one down here, the one with the white plug, that's your turn signal, but that'll be another video. And the one here on the side, this one right here, that's gonna be your side marker, okay? So that's gonna be the one that goes here on this side. Okay, so again, those will be a separate video. For now, we're focusing on just the brake light, which is gonna be the top one with the black plug, okay? So at this point, all you gotta do is push it down and then twist, and it comes out just like that. We'll put that to the side. And the same thing with this. We'll put everything else back in its place so they don't get damaged. Put that here. And we're gonna get one of our 1157s. Okay. These are dual filament, so make sure you get 1157s, not the 1156. They have only one way they can go in, so don't force it. If it feels forced, then it means you got in the wrong position. It should just be like that. You're gonna push in and twist, okay? And at that point, you can put everything back together. Make sure you line up everything how it's supposed to go. Just like that. And if you want to, if you think you're not gonna be removing this anytime soon, then you can just put this back in place and keep it where it goes. But I'm just gonna leave it like that because it makes this much easier to work with, okay? Also, you got plenty of space here in the back where this can go in, so you don't have to worry about that like causing any issues when trying to install it. And before I put it in, this is the guide I was talking about earlier. This and this have to line up to here, okay? One here and the other one here. And that's what holds the headlight in place. I'm not gonna lock it yet because we are gonna continue working on the other ones. So for now, I'm just gonna put it like this and put just one screw. You don't have to tighten it. It's just enough to where at least this won't fall out. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna go step on the brake to make sure everything's working fine. Okay, so we see that's working fine. Now we're gonna see the parking light function. All right, and then pressing on the brake, you can see it brightens up. And pretty much at this point, you know you're done, and you would do the same steps on the other side as well. So we're gonna get that finished, and we'll show you the end results. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna show you the finished results. We have just finished working on this 2018 Hyundai Tucson, and we just did the brake lights with our 1157s in red, as you're seeing now. We've also done the tail light, which also functions as the parking light, which is the corner lights what activated the parking light. And then you also got your inner tail light, okay? These will use 1157's red all the way from here to there, okay? Now we're gonna show you the turn signals, which we use the T-Series 1156 to prevent the hyperflash. So we're gonna do the turn signal on the left. There we go. And then turn signal on the right. Flasher. There you go, guys. And one thing you might notice is that when you step on the brake lights, now the brakes, the corners will match your LED third brake light. Okay, so they're all matching now because they're pure red. Now we're gonna show you the backup lights. There you go, big difference. Okay. So for this type of vehicles that have backup cameras, this is very helpful because you'll be able to see more at night, and it also does not affect your camera signal, okay? So just to show you real quick. Can you show them the camera, please? As you can see, no camera interference, everything working fine, and at night you're going to be noticeably seeing more as well. It'll help a lot with the backup camera. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.